Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video will show you 3 ways to earn money using ChatGPT. Before we dive in, let me introduce you to ChatGPT. It's an AI-powered platform that helps you write top-notch content quickly and easily. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make money online without spending hours writing. With ChatGPT, you can use it to write anything you need, and there are numerous ways to make money online using this tool. In this video, we'll focus on 3 easy methods to earn money online with ChatGPT, and you could start earning right after watching this video. So, watch till the end. First up, you can go to freelancing websites like Fiverr and offer your writing services such as blog writing and copywriting. Then, use ChatGPT to write high-quality content quickly for your clients. ChatGPT can help you save time and still deliver top-notch work to your clients. To get started, head over to Fiverr, create an account, and post your gig, offering your services. Whenever someone purchases your service, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write an article on that specific topic. For example, if someone asks you to write a blog post on how to earn money online, ask ChatGPT to write it. And it will generate an entire article in seconds. You can review the article and make any necessary changes to it. After you've completed the final draft, send it over to your client. You can fulfill these services in a matter of minutes using ChatGPT. Make sure that the article has good content to satisfy your client and get more orders in the future. The second way to make money using ChatGPT is to create blog posts and monetize them with affiliate marketing. You can create your blog website if you have some money, or go to platforms like medium.com and create a blog for free. After you've created an account, find a topic to write an article and ask ChatGPT to write it for you. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT to write an article on how to create a website using a specific service such as Wix. Then, go to the website of that service and sign up for their affiliate program. Add your affiliate links to the article and post it on your blog. You'll start earning money when someone signs up for the service through your affiliate link. You can also monetize your blog through Google Ads and other monetization methods. The third way to make money using ChatGPT is to use it to write Quora answers and monetize them with affiliate marketing. Quora is a popular platform where people can answer questions on a wide range of topics. You can use ChatGPT to write answers to these questions and monetize them to make money. Quora has over 700 million monthly visitors, and the traffic quality is high since visitors come to Quora with a problem and need a solution. Start answering these questions on Quora using ChatGPT, and then monetize those answers to make money. You can use affiliate marketing to promote products or services related to the questions you answer. These are 3 easy ways to make money using ChatGPT. Start using them today, and you could earn a good amount of money in no time.